Now let's see one more example. I'll draw few logs on the board here. What are these? These are logs. Okay. Now I will make them into the box. I am pairing them as 1, 2, 3 and I'll make another box as 1, 2, 3 logs. Okay. What are we doing here? We are adding 3 number of logs 2 times. Okay. 3 number of logs 2 times. So first what we will write? Repeatedly we are adding how many logs? 3 logs. How many boxes are there? How many times the number of boxes we have? You have to write that number. That is 2 times. This is multiplied by, it is also called as times. 2 times 1, 2, 3. Number of logs in one box. 2 times 3 logs is equals to, how many total we'll have? We'll count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 2 times 3 is 6. This is read as 2 times 3 is 6 or 2 3s are 6. So repeatedly we are adding 3 number of logs. So multiplication is repeated addition of the same number. We have 3 logs here, we have 3 logs here. Okay. How many boxes you have? 1 box here, 2 box here. So 2 boxes you will write in first this thing and the number you are writing here is the second. Okay, 2 times 3 is equals to a total number. How many logs you have? You will count and write it is the answer. So, repeated addition of the same number is called multiplication. And the sign of multiplication is into. The answer in multiplication is called product. What is it called? Product. Okay. Here, this one I am arranging it in column wise. I am arranging these numbers in as column. Here we call this terms of multiplication. We'll see what are the terms in multiplication. This 2 is called multiplicand. What is this number on the top? It is called multiplicand and the second number is called multiplier. The second number is called multiplier and the answer in multiplication is called product. What is the answer in multiplication called? Product. So what are the terms in multiplication? We have 3 terms, that is multiplicand, multiplier and product. Clear children? This is about multiplication. So what is multiplication? Multiplication is repeated addition of the same number. Multiplication is repeated addition of the same number and the sign of multiplication is into, cross, into and the answer in multiplication is called product. What is the answer in multiplication called? Product. And the terms in multiplication are, first term is called multiplicand, second term is called multiplier and the answer is called product. So this is about multiplication. So if you want to multiply any numbers 1 digit by 1 digit or 2 digit by 1 digit or 2 digit by 2 digit, you have to learn tables, right? You have to learn tables. Now learn the tables and be ready with them. We'll start doing multiplication of a 2 digit number by 1 digit number.